Okay, here we are back on 38th place. As you can see, the transition that we have here. So these are our certified playground chips that we installed. Remember, the wood pile was over here. We actually moved that for the customer all over here. Got rid of all the debris, rototilled the ground, leveled it all out, put down our signature ground paper. As you can see where the chips are at. Nice and thickness on the chips there. Okay, so we got that all installed there. Moving on over here, here's our new lawn that we put in for our customers. The sod was provided by Kinsey Turf. It's a nice fescue grass that we used on top of here. You can see we have the safety fence around here because these customers have animals, so we want to make sure that the animals don't get onto the grass. And then you remember here, this was just all patio, broken up boards. We went ahead and put in gravel here as well. So I think it turned out pretty nice. So if you're looking to totally redo your backyard, go ahead and give Tip Top a call.